Mike is attending an electronics trade show. Vendors have come from all over the world to be here. He picked up a tote bag at the registration desk that morning. It is large and slightly stiff, with the name of the show printed across the side. The show floor is crowded and loud. The noise hits him as soon as the doors open. Some booths are large and well lit, with staff in matching shirts giving product demos. Others are smaller, just a table, a banner, and one person standing behind them. Mike is here looking for ideas, good products, or technologies he might be able to bring to Japan. He moves slowly and tries to take everything in. At almost every booth, someone steps forward and hands him a pamphlet, sometimes 2 or 3 at once. His bag gets heavier as the morning goes on. After a while, he stops keeping track of how many he has. He knows he won't read most of them. He will go through the bag later and pull out the ones that actually interest him. The rest he will set aside. He doesn't throw any of them away at the show, though. Tossing a pamphlet in the bin right in front of the vendors' booths doesn't feel right. He will wait until he is back at the office. Many vendors also give away small promotional gifts, branded items, to help people remember them. Mike has collected a small notebook, a couple of pens, and a phone stand so far. Each one has a company name or logo printed on it somewhere. He doesn't mind. He actually likes the swag. By the time lunch arrives, his feet are tired. He has been on them since early morning, and the floor is hard. He finds the food court inside the venue. It is busy and a little noisy, but it is good to sit, or at least stop moving. The stand-up tables near the window are almost all taken. He spots a space at one of the tables and moves towards it. A man is standing there with a coffee and a sandwich. He looks like he works in the industry. It turns out he is from Switzerland, at the show for the same reasons. They both ordered the same thing too. They both look equally tired from being on their feet all day. They talk for a while. Both of them are impressed by the range of vendors at the show this year. They don't go into detail, just the general feeling of it. It is a short conversation, but it feels like a natural break, the kind you don't plan. After lunch, Mike heads back to the floor. He is a little more awake now. He visits a few more booths, but takes his time. He is less interested in collecting things and more interested in looking carefully. He pulls 2 pamphlets from his bag and marks them with a small fold at the corner. Those are the ones he wants to read on the train. Everything else can wait until he is back at the office. By the end of the afternoon, his bag is loaded. Pamphlets, freebies, swag from a dozen different companies. His feet are sore, but he got what he came for, a few good ideas he wants to follow up on. He joins the crowd heading toward the exit, his now heavy tote bag pulling at his shoulder.